calm, cool, collected, but you pushing on my nerves, and I'm knowing your intention, I'm under pressure. Okay, I'm admitting that a couple things I said got acidic in the tone, in the presence I get careless. Long as you know I come with imperfections. When you look at me, you see the soul through my flesh. You something special. Know you looking bomb, the way you dress and gone. Flex and hold it still and let my mind digest. You got the leverage, you got the upper handle on the situation. You worthy of a million more of the storms that we weathered. We fight.
What is good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carrie. If you're new, please make sure you hit that red subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you don't miss anything when I upload. If you ain't new, welcome back, boo. Let's go ahead and get it popping. So special shout out to XTRESS for sending me over this unit to review one time. So you know I'm gonna get into the nitty gritty. I'm gonna go ahead, show you the specs, the construction, give you my thoughts on it, and I'm also gonna show you a couple of ways that you can actually disguise your entire hairline, because someone did ask me recently on one of my headband wig videos, like, sis, how do you cover it completely without the side showing? So yeah, I'm gonna break that down too, give you a little tip, a little 1, 2, 1, 2. So let's go ahead and get into the deets. This is their Jerry Curly 18-inch color number 2 synthetic human hair mix headband wig. Now it came directly from AliExpress and it's only running for $22.48, which I think is super duper affordable. Like, I'm happy with it. Ain't mad. It's very cute on the pockets. Now I did notice on the website on AliExpress, it did come in some other colors. Like I said, it's the number 2. It also has a number 1B, and then they also have 2 ombre colors, with one with the 27 mix in and one with the 30 mix in, with it being a 1B. So those were really cute too. I didn't even peep those. The construction on this headband wig is a little bit different from the ones that we're typically used to. This one comes still with the attached headband connected to the unit, but it is connected all the way through and it's not detachable in the back. So we don't get that Velcro to kind of play with to adjust the fit of it. It's just one band all the way through, but it does have some stretch to it, and it is what it is. Some people may like it, some people may not like it. It's a pro and a con for some. It is a pro in a way because sometimes that Velcro and stuff could be very thick in the back, like, you know, as far as the width goes, so it could be annoying. But at the same time, not being able to adjust it may be a con for some. So it's all about preference. We also have 2 combs in this unit, one at the very top and one at the nape. We don't have any on the sides, and there are no adjustable straps with this unit either. It is actually comfortable. So being that, like I said, is not an adjustable headband, it's still very comfy. It's not tight, it's not squeezing my head. It feels like a perfect fit in a way. So I don't know what kind of technology they have going on with that band back there, if it just stretches naturally, but it's not going to give you a headache or anything like that, y'all. So it fits good, snug enough to where it doesn't feel like it's going to move. So I'm decently happy with it. Now I could definitely confidently say this is definitely a big head friendly unit. Y'all know I have a 22.5 circumference size head, and I always start my headband wigs like mid head through. I don't start it like in the front because I know I want some edges out, but even pulling it back to the middle of my head and kind of bringing that band to the front, you can still see it's covering my hairline a lot. So if I wanted to bring it up, is, you know, I don't even need to do so. So if you're somewhere around that, if you have a big head, no worries, sis, it's gonna fit you. Okay, it's gonna fit, girl. Now for this unit, y'all know I typically like to wash my human hair units before I use it, but like I said, this is a human hair synthetic mix blend. So I was like, I don't know, I don't want to really wash it, kind of manipulate something that's not supposed to be manipulated, you know what I'm saying? So I did not wash this unit. This is the unit being, you know, I'm styling this unit as is. Like, this is how it came to me, sis. This is exactly how it came. But as far as the texture goes, the texture of this unit is decent, and I can't even give you a definitive silky or yucky or something like that, because with the crinkles and the waves that are in it, this Jerry Curly style, you can't really tell. But as far as the softness goes, the hair itself is actually soft. Like, it's soft to the touch, but it feels coarse. It's like, and I'm not talking about coarse like thickness. I'm talking about if the strands were thick. It feels like thick strands, but they're kind of soft. It does have a little bit of a dry feeling to it, but I didn't mind too much. I felt like I was gonna have to do something to it anyway. So that's when you guys see me bust out my little water bottle, you know, with some water bottle I said some water bottle. It's some water in here, a little bit of almond oil, and I did put a drip of Downy because Downy always makes synthetic hair feel nice and soft. And I just shake it up and use it. And this is kind of my little wig spray to help moisturize. I did initially go in with my oil-free Bonafide Natural Wig Shine, and that, like I said, because it looked a little bit dry, I was just trying to give it a little shine, but I feel like my mix is better, so that's where we at with that. Now, I'm sure you can tell by looking at it, we have a nice full density on this unit, and it's not an overpowering full, you know, when it's like so big that you can't handle it. It's like perfectly sized full, way bigger than the natural density. So I think that's pretty dope too, girl, because we like to have a little fullness, especially when we got like some curls and stuff going on. I was experiencing some shedding at first when I was finger combing the hair out when I first put it on my head, but that might have been some dead strands or something that was up in there because I'm not really getting any of that now, and it's not tangling either. So that's a plus, you know what I'm saying? We good on both with that. It's a headband wig, and we love to have some versatility. You know, this is like perfect for beginners, of course, because there's not much you have to do. No lace cutting, no gluing, no blending of lace, no, none of that. You know what I'm saying? Either you want your edges out or you don't. And, you know, it's really up to you. You do have options as far as you want to style it. You could put it in a half up, half down. You could wear it all out. You could switch it with different headbands. Like, that's one thing that I am still loving about these headband wigs. It's just super versatile. You could just pick up a headband wig and go, and literally that's what I wear now for my everyday because it's just easier than having to put down some lace and add some powder to the part, and you know what I'm saying? So it's easy and it's versatile, and it's really, really pretty because it is kind of full. When you do the half up, half down, something like that, it still has that fullness in the back. It's not taken away because so much hair is up in a ponytail. So I'm cool with this. You know, I have multiple headband wig videos going on, okay? I have a whole playlist. If you're interested, I'll definitely link it in the description box. It'll pop up at the end of the video too. And we have synthetic starting like $15 all the way up to human hair units beyond $300 or whatever. So I have options for everybody. Now, someone did ask me on one of the videos how, like, what is the best technique to cover up the edges completely, because they had a little bit of gray hairs. Now, you know, when we pull the headband on the wig up to the front, it shows like a little bit on the side right above the ear. So I mean, there's a couple of things you could do. You could leave it that way. You could grab you some mascara, or you can get you like a brown. I wouldn't suggest black. I only have black, so I use it for demonstration purposes. But like a dark brown eyeliner, and just kind of cover up your grays with it and smudge it in with your finger or Q-tip, something like that. That way you can just wash it at the end of the day. You don't have to worry about dyeing your whole hair just for a little piece of the edges. You know what I'm saying? So that is one option. Another option is to actually take a different headband, because you know we got headbands with these headband wigs, girl. And you could cover up your ears with it. You could cover up the entire hairline with it. And I feel like when you do it that way, using an additional headband, it actually looks a lot better. It just looks so cute. It looks like a bomb style, like this headband, for instance. Really, really cute, covering up the ears and everything. If you use only the headband on the wig to cover up your ears, I feel like it may look a little bit funny. About using it doesn't look right. I feel like you should just use an external headband, and you could even get a black one if you like the way of the nice sleekness in the black look. Then just go with the black headband. That would definitely work too. Overall, I think that the unit is super pretty, y'all. Super, super pretty. The only complaint that I personally had with this unit were the scraggly ends, and I did end up going in with some scissors, just kind of cutting them off a little bit, because it just look a little frayed, like little random longer pieces that don't need to be there. So after that, it looks really, really good. You know, add your little moisture, your little spray, whatever, water, oil, whatever your technique is to kind of add a little moisture to your wig. That's all you have to do. But it's definitely a pop and go, and it's super pretty, y'all. And for $22, you can't go wrong. Not at all. This is a cute unit. I do like it though. I really, really do. But that is it, y'all. If you're interested in the color contacts that I'm wearing today, it is the Egypt Brown from TTDI. Promo code is Carrie if you want to save your little coin. Now, all of the information for this unit will be listed in the description box below, the direct links, a promo code if I have one. Whatever you need to know about this unit will be there, y'all. But I'll see you in my next video. Make sure to check out some other headband wig videos. I got a whole playlist for y'all. I'll see y'all next time. Mwah.
We could do it all night.